I was just scrolling through some of my movies and you know what? There are heroes everywhere. Indiana Jones, Batman, the Avengers, and my personal favorite hero collection, the Expendables. You're a hero too. But did you know that the word hero originates from Greek mythology? Now, heroes were demigods with exceptional strength and courage that went on long quests to defeat nasty villains. Over the centuries, heroes have become an integral part of human culture and storytelling, serving as a symbol for inspiration and hope. And that's because they embody the values and symbols that societies hold on to. And it's cool to see them kicking some action. Now remember, as a video creator, there are 5 main villains that we encounter. Check out this video right there if you want to meet them. Villains represent obstacles that we face as video creators, from creative constraints to fear of judgment and a lot of annoying stuff in between. And heroes are the iron fist that we need to defeat them all. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want to be a hero. Now let's explore some of the hero archetypes and the secret messages that they convey. Welcome to the Hall of Heroes. 1. The Truth Seeker. This hero is driven by curiosity and the pursuit of justice. And as a video creator, you need to be curious, seeking information and new perspectives to tell your story. You need to be open-minded for the viewpoints of your clients to really understand the video that you're making. Also, you need to be motivated by an intense desire to have a positive impact on your audience's lives, because that's what heroes do. 2. The Beacon of Hope. This hero spreads hope, courage and positivity. To activate this hero in you, you need to serve as a beacon of inspiration for your audience and really motivate them through your storytelling. You need to show compassion for your clients' struggle and really show that you understand their business. Only then will they seek your attention. 3. The Guardian. This hero uses their power not for personal gain, but to serve and protect others. And as a video creator, you need to be protective of your audience, safeguarding them from misinformation. Start making videos from the perspective of your customer. Understanding this is real superpower. 4. The Enlightened. Now, this hero transforms its own flaws into a source of strength. As a video creator, you embody wisdom, you share insights, and you inspire a positive change in your audience. And this makes you their hero, because you enlighten them by explaining complex concepts clearly. 5. The Time Master. Now, this hero protects the integrity of time and ensures its proper flow. Now, as a video creator, you need to possess a high level of productivity, constantly delivering engaging videos to your audience. Now, you need to adapt quickly to changing circumstances, keeping up with your client. You need to be very time aware and punctual in order to deliver your content according to their schedule. Now, taking on the role of a hero can definitely help you create better videos. Make all these 5 traits yours and you even become a superhero for your customer. And only then can you connect with your audience on a deeper level, creating content that resonates them for a very long time. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.